Hi everybody, welcome to Wineberry Hill. So things have been kind of discouraging lately. I haven't been making a lot of progress. Now I know that I'm going to need to redesign the coop, and lately the thing that I've been focused on the most is the redesign of the run, and I've been trying to kind of settle on a final design, but that's not what's slowing me down. Lately it has just been so cold that it's hard to get anything done. But I'm trying every day to get something done, and I have had a lot of days where I only got 1% done. But you know what? It's winter, and I just try to, remind myself, keep moving the football down the field. I've also been researching chicken breeds, and I think I've settled on the final list of 4 that I'll be choosing from, and I'll talk about that at the end of this video, and I would love to get your chicken breed input as well. Here's the progress so far on the redesign of the chicken run. that's where we're at. I really wanted to have the concrete further along or start it at all, but we are going to have a warm weekend, so I hope to make progress in the next few days. Now, as far as the breed of chicken is concerned, I've been having discussions with different hatcheries that I would like to form a partnership with. And in that discussion, it seems like 4 breeds have risen to the top. And those 4 breeds are Australorp, Bielefelder, Delaware, and New Hampshire. And just as a reminder, the criteria that I'm looking for is a heritage, cold hardy breed that's a decent egg layer, but an even better table bird, and that is reasonably broody. Do you know of a chicken breed that kind of fits all of those criteria that you're really happy with? What do you like about the birds in my list, or is there a bird that I'm really missing out on? Thank you so much for the comments and all the YouTube stuff. You make this channel possible. And if you like this video, you might like these.